National Association of Realtors has reported that the existing home sales fell from more than expected in June, dropping 2.7% to a rate of 3.93 million units. The decline signals a deepening housing market slump as high mortgage rates, hovering just under 7%, keep potential buyers on the sidelines. The association attributes the sluggish sales to these elevated rates, while the median homes price hit a record of $435,300. The supply of homes increased and properties are staying on the market longer. Reuters has reported that the U.S.-funded contraceptives worth nearly $10 million are being sent to France from Belgium to be incinerated after Washington rejected offers from the United Nations and family planning organizations to buy or ship the supplies to poor nations. It added that the United States government will spend $160,000 to incinerate the stocks at a facility in the France that handles medical waste. The Belgian Foreign Ministry stated that it had held talks with U.S. authorities and explored all possible options to prevent the destruction, including temporary relocation. U.S. President Donald Trump has stated that his administration is considering eliminating capital gain tax on houses. Speaking to reporters in the Oval Office, Trump stated that they wouldn't need to take such action if the Fed lowered interest rates. However, Republican Representative interpreted Trump's comments as a show of support for a bill she has proposed called the No Tax on Home Sales Act.
We're setting records at levels that nobody's ever seen before. But you know what? People aren't able to buy a house because...
Moreover, U.S. President Donald Trump has announced that he would use import restrictions to force foreign suppliers to cut drug prices, and that pharmaceutical companies would have a lot of problems if they did not agree to bring prices down.
We're going to get the drug prices down, not 30 or 40%, which would be great, not 50 or 60. No, we're going to get them down 1,000%, 600%, 500%, 1,500%. So I invoked what's called the favored nations provision so that we will pay the same price as the lowest nation anywhere in the world. And drugs will come down like from, as an example, $1,300 in the case I gave you. They'll come down from $1,300. Now, in the world, they'll go up a little bit. Not as much as you think, because the world is bigger than the United States in terms of population, as you probably know. But it will go up. And maybe it'll go up instead of $88 or $90, it will go up to $110 or $120 or $140. But we're going to come down to $140. So you're going to have it coming down from $1,300 to $140, $150, $160. What difference? I mean, somewhere big.
Federal Reserve Vice Chair for Supervision Michelle Bowman emphasized the very important need for a central bank to set monetary policy without political interference. Bowman asserted that while independence is crucial, it comes with an obligation for transparency and accountability. She also highlighted the need for the Fed to listen to a broad range of voices to inform its monetary policy decisions. Bowman's remarks came as President Donald Trump has escalated his criticism of the Fed and Chair Jerome Powell for not lowering interest rates as he desires.